How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Messenger application. Then, tap on your profile icon, or you can simply go to the menu bar from your bottom right corner. Then go to settings, scroll down, and then you will see an option of notification and sounds. Go to notification and sounds. Now, make sure you have enabled this notification button. If you have not, simply enable it. Next, go to your Play Store and then search for Messenger application. Now, make sure you have the latest version of Messenger. If you have an update button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version. Next, go to settings, go to notifications, and then go to advanced settings. After that, go to floating notifications and then select bubbles or smart pop-up view. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.